Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to Kat's Cooking Corner. Today we are going to be making a cheesecake pie. For this recipe, you will need cream cheese, sugar, salt, eggs, lemon juice, a graham cracker pie shell, as well as an electric mixer and various measuring utensils. We also want to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We're going to begin with 12 ounces of cream cheese. I've left these sitting out for probably an hour so that they are softened. One box is 8 ounces, so basically we're going to need 1.5 boxes here. Let me readjust my camera. Okay. Sorry about that. These packages are not wanting to cooperate with me today. Normally these come open real easily, but there we go. For some reason today they're wanting to be complicated. Okay, so we need half of the second package. And generally the outside of the package does have the little measuring marks, so I always stab it and mark where the halfway mark is, and then take and rewrap that to use on something else later. Let me wash my hands real quick. And done with the cutting board. So now you want to take and get your electric mixer prepped. And what we want to do, turn this on low. And beat the cream cheese until it's fluffy. right part, you can turn your mixer up to medium-low heat, or medium-low speed. Now you can turn the mixer off for a moment while you get the other ingredients put into your bowl. Now we need a 1/2 cup of sugar. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. One egg. A tablespoon of lemon juice. And a tablespoon of vanilla. Now we need to turn the mixer back on. Start out on low. And turn it up to medium. Once it's smooth, start to lower your speed and slowly raise the beater. Those off. Now you can make your own graham cracker pie crust if you wish, but I find it's just as easy to get the pre-made ones from the store. And I always keep the cover because you can put it back on after the pie's done to transport it. Always take and set the pie onto a cookie sheet just in case it happens to overflow. Now we want to fill our pie shell with the cream cheese batter. Try to get everything out of the bowl. Smooth out the bowl or the top of the pie as much as possible. Wash my hands again. Now you want to put it in your oven that you already have preheated to 350 degrees for a minimum of 40 minutes. This can take up to an hour to cook, so you will want to insert a knife in the middle to check it periodically. Sometimes it'll take even less than 40 minutes. So it's always best to start checking around 30 minutes and then like every 10 minutes thereafter until it's done. Whoops. A cheesecake pie is a wonderful alternative to the traditional pumpkin or sweet potato pies of the season. With a cheesecake pie, there are so many different variations you can try. This particular one is an original recipe. It's based off of a recipe that I found on a can of fruit one time, many years ago, but I have altered it. Obviously, I'm not using fruit on this one. It has been altered and changed over the years, so this one is an original recipe. You can do so many different things with the cheesecake pie. You can add chocolate, peanut butter, Irish cream liquor. You can add fruit. You can add caramel. There's just so many different variations. And at a later time, I will probably show some of these different variations, because with every variation, you have to change the recipe. There's just no ifs, ands, or buts about it. The recipe will not turn out right if you leave everything as is. It has to be changed for every single variation. So at another time, I will explain how to do that. I will probably show some of the different cheesecake recipes I have developed over the years. But this is just a plain, basic, simple cheesecake pie. There's nothing special about it. Once it's done, because it is still cooking right now, but once it is done, you can add fruit to the top if you want. You can add caramel sauce. You can add whatever you want, or each individual person can do it the way they want. That's why I started with the basic cheesecake pie, because it's plain. It's a blank slate. It's good by itself. It's good with toppings. So it's perfect for a large family gathering where everyone has a different taste. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, so we are going to check the doneness of the cheesecake pie. And I can tell already it's not done by the way it's jiggling, but still go ahead and yeah. Obviously not done. So we're going to cook it for about another 15 minutes and then check it again. Okay, the pie has cooked for about 45 minutes. We're going to check it one more time for doneness. There's still a little bit on it, but that's not going to hurt anything. It is finished. Okay, you will want to let your pie cool for about 30 minutes before placing it in the refrigerator. And then you'll want to let it cool in the refrigerator for at least an hour before serving. It's actually tastes better most of the time if you let it set overnight. Thank you for watching today's episode of Kat's Cooking Corner. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to see more recipes, please subscribe.